Hi there. At goldopinions.com, you'll get paid for sharing your opinions with us. Our members take hundreds of surveys a year about shopping, cars, restaurants, gadgets, and so much more. In return, members earned over $8 million worldwide just for sharing their opinions. You see, a successful company's most important consultant is you, the consumer. Help thousands of companies improve their products and services by honestly answering their surveys. Simply answer a few short questions and get paid. Plus, you can do it wherever you are. At home, in the office, at the beach, coffee shop, anywhere. We've helped thousands of people all over the world get paid for their opinions, and now it's your turn. So if you're ready to be rewarded for your opinions, click the Join Now button below and begin immediately. Don't wait. Join now and start getting paid for your opinions minutes from now.
By joining goldopinions.com, you will get paid up to $5 for 10 to 15-minute surveys. Get paid up to $30 per hour on focus group and panels. Get paid up to $15 to $30 for 30 to 45-minute surveys. Get paid up to $50 for premium surveys. Flexible working hours, work when you want to. Work at home, make money no matter where you are in the world. No experience needed to join. Choose your reward in exchange for your opinions. We are the source between you and high-paying corporations. Our proprietary partnerships make it easy to make thousands of dollars per month. Make money answering surveys is 1, 2, 3. Choose job. Submit your work. Get paid. Do you live outside the United States? No problem. You can get paid for your opinions, no matter where you live. Check out just a portion of the 150 countries we work with below. Made $30 on my first day. Being a fresh graduate and having lots of free time, I stumbled upon your site when I was searching for work at home opportunities. Good thing I did. Just on my first day of joining, I already made $30. Now I'm averaging close to $80 a day just for filling out surveys. Chris Miller, Los Angeles, USA. As a single mother, every little bit counts. This has been such a great way for me to earn extra money. As a single mother, every little bit counts. Finally, a vehicle for making some honest-to-goodness real money to make life easier and happier now that I don't have to pull my hair out budgeting every penny every day. Thanks for the rainbow in my sky. Erica Smith, Chicago, USA. Best survey site online. $1,500 a month thanks to you guys. Without a doubt the best paid survey site online. I have made money from other survey sites but made double or triple with goldopinions.com for the same time and effort. The variety and number of daily paid surveys I get from them is unmatched. A must for anyone looking for extra cash or a full-time income. Stephen Taylor, Toronto, Canada. Got a new iPhone 6 in just 7 days. Got a new iPhone 6 in just 7 days completing surveys and offers. Now I'm just a few days away from completing and receiving my Samsung tablet. Highly recommended. Definitely the best survey site out there. Peter Chong, Singapore.